Then we want to use the LLDB, the low-level debugger. That's what we're doing. So we're doing some assembly language here, but for now, what we're going to do is we want to disassemble. I want to disassemble. That's one of the things I want to do. Here we go. So there is a disassembly that does work. Here, let's copy this. Copy that. Current function around PC, set Intel style settings. Okay, register, read registers. Okay, threads, there's threads. Oh, interesting. This could be interesting right here. I'm actually kind of curious about this. We'll have to check this out later. But right now I want to disassemble. Let's break the program apart. Let's do it. Let's go back to 0. Let's disassemble. Whoa, check it out. We did it. So, hey, if you ever thought about disassembly before, this is what it looks like. Check it out, you guys. We're disassembling. Look at that. And we've got the addresses right here, the memory addresses. It was also saying it's a good idea as you type it, you speak it aloud. Watch this. Disassemble-F. Like that. And you got to spell it correctly. Disassemble-F. Check it out. Isn't that cool? I think it's really cool. I've never had to do anything like this, but look at how cool this is, you guys. Look how cool it is. Wow, that's so cool.